students. Yes, we were doing definite integrals. Let's start today. Definite integrals के हम क्वेश्चंस कर रहे थे. Today we will discuss some more questions on definite integrals. Let's start. सभी टाइप्स जो हमने इंटीग्रेशन में सॉल्व करी हैं उन्हीं के हम डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स के क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे. इंटीग्रेशन में हमने बहुत सारी टाइप सॉल्व करी हैं, उन्हीं टाइप को यूज करते हुए हम डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1 इज integral of 1 upon root x dx, limit goes to 4 to 9. 1 upon root x. अगर यहाँ पे root x की बजाय x होता तो 1 upon x is log x. इस पे कौन सा रूल अप्लाई होगा? पावर रूल. We can write it as x power minus half. रूट ऑफ x मीन्स x की पावर क्या है? 1/2. जब हम इसे न्यूमिनेटर में ले जाएंगे तो पावर का साइन चेंज हो जाता है. नाउ अप्लाई पावर रूल. x पावर n प्लस 1 माइनस हाफ प्लस 1 इज 1/2. 2 root of x and the limit goes to 4 to 9. You can write it as 2 square root of 9 minus square root of 4. 9 is square of 3, so we can write square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 1, so answer is 2. क्या किया हमने? 1 upon root x, x power minus half. After that apply power rule. Integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and the limit is 4 to 9. 2 square root of x. After that put the value of limits. Integral of 1 upon x plus 7 and the limit goes to minus 2 to 3. Integral of 1 upon x is log of x. This is of same kind. So log of x plus 7. Limit is minus 2 to 3. Put the limits. Log of 3 plus 7 minus lower limit minus 2 plus 7. Log 3 plus 7 is log of 10 minus 7 minus 2 5. Log a minus log b is equals to log of a upon b. So get the answer as log of 2. Dx upon square root of 1 minus x square and the limit is 0 to 1/2. Now integral of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a. A here is 1, so sin inverse x 0 to 1/2. Sin inverse 1/2 minus sin inverse 0. 1/2 is the value of sin pi by 6, sin 30 degree, and sin 0 is 0. Sin inverse and sin will cancel. Pi by 6 minus 0. So we get the answer as pi by 6. 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a, and 1/2 is the value of sin pi by 6. Sin inverse and sin will cancel. Pi by 6 minus 0 is pi by 6. Now the next one is integration of dx upon 1 plus x square and the limit goes to 0 to 1. Now what is the formula for integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a is 1 tan inverse x upon a. Limit 0 to 1. Put the upper limit minus lower limit. Tan inverse 1. Tan किसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास 1 होती है pi by 4. So instead of 1 we can write here tan pi by 4. And tan की वैल्यू कब 0 होती है? tan 0 पे. tan 0. Tan inverse and tan cancel. Pi by 4 minus 0 pi by 4. Now the next one is integration of x upon x square plus 1 and the limit goes to 2 to 3. Excuse me. यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है, हमारे पास न्यूमिनेटर में x है और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में पावर x की 2 है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें डेरिवेटिव कंप्लीट करेंगे. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 1 is 0. We want 2x in the numerator. So multiply and divide the numerator by 2. Now it becomes the form f dash x upon f of x. Integral of f dash x upon f of x is log of fx. Log of x square plus 1, limit goes to 2 by 3. Put the limit 3 square 9 plus 1 10 minus lower limit 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Log a minus log b is equals to log a upon b. So 1 by 2 log 2. 1 by 2 log 2. क्या क्या हमने सबसे पहले डेरिवेटिव कंप्लीट किया, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 2 इन द न्यूमरेटर टू कंप्लीट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. Now it becomes of form integral of f dash x upon f of x is equals to log of fx. After that put the lower limit and the upper limit values and solve it. Dx upon a square plus b square x square and the limit goes to 0 to infinity. सबसे पहले to make the coefficient of x square unity, take b square common. A square upon b square plus x square. 1 upon b square, limit is 0 to infinity, dx upon x square plus a upon b whole square. This is again of form integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. 1 upon b square b upon a tan inverse bx upon a. 1 upon AB, put the limits now, tan inverse infinity into something, it becomes infinity, minus 0 into something is 0. tan की किस वैल्यू के लिए हमारे पास इंफिनिटी होता है? tan 90 डिग्रीज इंफिनिटी. upon AB, tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse 1 is tan tan इनवर्स 0 किसके लिए होता है? tan 0 के लिए. So 1 upon AB pi by 2 minus 0. Pi upon 2AB. Pi upon 2AB. अगर हमें ये वैल्यूज ऐसे याद नहीं रहती तो हम इन्हें टेबल्स बना के लर्न कर सकते हैं कि किसके लिए कौन सी वैल्यू होगी. sin 30, sin 60, so on. टेबल बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? sin, cos एंड tan इन तीनों की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. cosec is reverse of sin, reciprocal of sin. Cos sec is reciprocal of cos and cot is reciprocal of tan. 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6 and 0. सबसे पहले 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 और इन सब के अपॉन में 4 and take the square root to learn the value. 0 upon something 0. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. 1 upon square root of 2. Square root of 3 is square root of 3 and square root of 4 is 2, 1. ये हमारे पास साइन की वैल्यूज आ गई. अब हमें कॉस की वैल्यूज निकालने के लिए हम इन्हें रिवर्स कर देंगे. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिख देंगे. cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 and this is 0. और tan किसके इक्वल होता है? sin upon cos. 0 upon something 0. 1 upon 2 and upon root 3 upon 2. Get the value as 1 by root 3. 1 root 3. 1 upon 0. Something upon 0 is infinity. Not defined. तो इस तरीके से अगर हमें किसी की वैल्यूज याद नहीं रहती है तो एग्जाम में ये छोटा सा टेबल बना के हम वैल्यूज को इस मेथड से याद कर सकते हैं. Now next question is question number 7. dx upon 1 plus x square limit goes to -1 to 1. This is again of form 1 upon x square plus a square 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Put the limits now. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. 1 is value of pi by 4 tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse minus tan pi by 4. अब हमारे पास tan नेगेटिव का कब होता है? Tan is negative. Tan of minus theta is tan theta. Tan minus theta is minus tan theta. So we can write it as pi by 4 minus tan inverse tan minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus minus plus pi by 4. 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2. Next is e minus x. Integral of ex is ex. There is minus x, so 1 in minus 1, 0 to infinity. Minus 1 upon ex. Can write it as minus 1 upon ex, 0 to infinity. Minus 1 minus lower limit something power infinity is infinity, so minus 1 upon infinity. किसी भी टर्म की पावर 0 हो तो आंसर विल बी 1 and something upon infinity is 0 plus 1 is 1. Now the next one is integral of x upon x plus 1 dx and the limit is 0 to 1. अगर हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में x स्क्वायर होता तो हम इसका डेरिवेटिव कंप्लीट करते न्यूमिनेटर में, because we have term x in the numerator. But instead of x square we have the term of x. So what will we do? We add and subtract 1 in the numerator. X plus 1 as one term and separate the terms. Integral of 1 is x. Integral of 1 upon x plus 1 is log of x plus 1. Put the limits. 1 minus log 1 plus 1, upper limit minus lower limit 0, log 0 plus 1. 1 minus log 2 minus log of 1. Value of log 1 is 0, so 1 minus log 2. Instead of 1, log 1 is 0 and we can write 1 as log e. Log e is 1, so we can write it as log e minus log 2. Log a minus log b is equals to log a upon b. Integral of sin x plus cos of x, limit goes to 0 to pi by 2. The integration of sin is minus cos and cos is sin. Put the upper limit minus cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 minus lower limit cos 0 plus sin 0. Cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Now the next one is integral of cot of x dx. Limit is pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now integral of cot x is equals to log of sin x. limit pi by 4 to pi by 2. Put the limits now. Log of sine pi by 2 minus log of sine pi by 4. Sine 90 is 1 and sine pi by 4, sine 45 degrees, 1 upon root 2. Log 1, log A upon B. Log A minus log B. Log 1 will cancel. Log root 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 power 1 by 2. Log of x power m. Write it as m log x. So m is 1 by 2 log 2. Integral of sec x dx, limit is 0 to pi by 4. Integration of sec x is log sec x plus tan x. Log of sec x plus tan x. Put the values. Upper limit log of sec pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 minus log of sec 0 plus tan 0. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sec is the reciprocal of